Hey, what's up guys? My name is Benkei. Today let's talk about the basic operations for list. Say modify list element, insert or add list element, or delete list element. First, let me define a list. Say make say Toyota 1, Honda 3, Ford 4. Right. So what if I want to modify the list? Say let me print it out first. Say make 2 equal to say make 0 equal to Subaru. I don't know if that Subaru or maybe Subaru. Say I want to modify the first element Toyota. Let me run. Okay, as you can see that my first one was changed to Subaru here. Right, so what do I want to change the third one? Okay, my third one, okay, number 3, change to Subaru. Right, so let's talk about how to insert or add element. Say I'm gonna use the same list. Say make dot append. Say Maha. Then make dot append. Say okay. Let's print them out again. Let's see, I try to append 2 list element Yamaha and Kia to see how that looks like. Oh, okay, as you can see that the 2 new list element was added to the last 2 partition here, right? So this means append will always add a list at the last. So what if I want to specify the location of the inserted list element? Say, change that insert and change it to the first. Then I want to change that to insert, say second. Say let's run. As you can see, my Yamaha was added to the first location. Kia was added to the second location. Alright, so let's talk about the next one. How to delete list. Say I can use make 0. I want to delete the first element for this list. And you can see the Toyota is gone here. Right, so I want to delete the first one. Okay, you can see my Ford is gone. So what if I try the pop method? Pick.pop. You can see that my last element was removed, right? Now let me pop again. Okay, still the last one is gone, right? So what if I want to remove that with certain locations? What if I want to remove the third one? Third one. As you can see, number 3 is gone. So I want to remove the second one. Okay, my Honda is gone, right? So one last thing is how to clear a list. say make dot clear. Okay, and you can see my list is empty now, right? Okay, thank you. That's all I have today.